How to add checkbox in table on Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a checkbox to a table in Notion. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps. So let's get started. First, head over to notion.com and log into your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the login button right on the homepage. For a quicker sign-in experience, I recommend clicking Continue with Google if your Google account is linked to Notion. Just select the Google account you want to use, and you'll be taken straight to your Notion dashboard. Once you're in, go ahead and open the workspace where you want to add the checkbox. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're inside the right one. Now in your selected page, locate the table you're working with. Now move your mouse to the top right corner of the table and click on the three dots. That's the Table Options menu. From the drop-down, select Properties. This section controls all the columns or properties your table has. Here, you'll see a button labeled New Property. Go ahead and click that. A new column will appear and you'll be asked to select the property type. In the search bar, type Checkbox. Notion will filter the options and show you the checkbox property. Click on it. Now you've officially added a checkbox column to your table. But wait, by default, Notion will name it something generic like Property or Checkbox. Let's clean that up. Just click on the title of the new column and rename it to something meaningful like Task Completed, Approved, or Done. Whatever fits your table's purpose. That's it. You've successfully added a checkbox to your Notion table. So go ahead and play around with it. Try adding checkboxes to different tables or combine them with other properties like dates, text, or tags to build a fully customized tracking system. If this video helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching.